Hello, this is your, what is it, sixth lesson. We're going to be learning the input from sensors, so start a new, just change all that, so we can start a new program. And we'll give it the printf command, and just say, um, see, value at, value at, and then this will be our %d. I think I already taught you that. It's just to show, yeah, I already taught you. It's just to show variables. Okay, and then we can have that, and then we can have our, we can have, and I will be teaching a loop later, but, well, actually, hold on. So I'll just put sleep for 3 seconds, just to give me time to change the sensor. I'm gonna just change this to analog, and then the analog sensor, which is, let's say port 0. So our just fix that. So we'll compile. Okay. So you can just set that in port 0, and we don't put a semicolon because semicolons are to end the line, and we always put a comma between here, to symbolize that we have our variable in there. So what we can do now is just compile that and put our sensor input. Let me just save this into our project folder. And 6. Alright, and that's saved. So what we can do now is compile that really quick and simulate it. And then what we get is our simulator screen. We'll just put the crate there, and what we get is time to change our sensor. So I just changed it right there, and then in 3 seconds it'll display. What the? Oh, okay. Hold on. Yeah, so that'll just display 80. And I think what another thing is, there's also a command called analog 10, and I think that is usually for analog sensors. I mean not yeah. I think no. Infrared sensors, yeah, and because what the infrared sensors do, I think that's, I don't exactly remember why actually, but it's just remember to put your analog 10 there whenever you're doing infrared. I think it's sonar too. Right, so then what we can do, and so our value is at 0. I was talking so much, I forgot to change it. So let's just simulate that one more time. Okay, and we'll put that. I don't know why I did that, but alright, so now we'll change our analog to 296. And we get 296. So that'll just show you if you need to put analog 10. And then what we can do is for analog 10, we can also put another %d, and we can show our digital, and our digital port, which would be in 1. So let's say we have an analog sensor in port 0 and a digital sensor in port 1. And we'll just change that to 4 seconds to give me time to change both. We can compile that and simulate it. Alright. Put create here. And we'll change that one here and that one. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, that number 1 got a bit messed up because I didn't change the digitals here. Oh, that makes sense. I'm sorry. I wasn't really looking at the CDC. So what we'll do is we'll just change that to 8 because I think the digital port started 8. Sorry about that. We can just compile that again and simulate it. So we have like, I think 7 analog points. So let's just make sure that, yeah, it starts at 8. Okay, so let's consider create down. And we'll change the analogs at 1 and 8, and our 8 to 1. So we have 168, and when I change my 8 value to 1 by clicking the 8 key on my keyboard, and now I got 1. So, what else I can do is, just to show you guys, I can add another one of these. Put analog 10, and then I'll just put port 2. %D, just so that you guys get a hang of it. So now we have 3 values, so we can compile that and simulate that again. And what we can do is change that value here, 8 value that way, and I think, yeah. And see, we get 224, 1, where's that? Here, 1, and then 192. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll be learning later. It will actually show us how to make use of it and not just have the thing tell us. And what we're going to be learning later is called if statements, and it's pretty much what's mainly used with these analog and digital sensors. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.